Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are going to draw a jumping dog. And we're going to, I guess, draw the dog like jumping up in the air, and we will use a Pitbull. Like dogs have like different breeds have different looks about them when they're performing these actions. So that is the line that we're maintaining, and you could just start adding a shape like that. Pitbull is a top heavy dog necessarily, so lower body, upper body, and we will place the legs around this guy in a moment. I think the head will be positioned going up like that, snout over here, nice thick neckline. I wanted to get the frame right for this, so if you could just do that much, I think it'll help for now. It's like it's an easy exercise, and pretty much all dogs, when they are like up in the air, maintain this. Like the posture is like that. It's like stretched out. But of course, there's always those little differences in how they come to how the anatomy looks when of course that is the aspect that changes from breed to breed. So what we'll do is, just to show the placement a little better, I think that I'm going to use that 1, 2, and 3. So sort of like that. And 1, 2, and 3. And so that can be around that line. So I think it looks accurate. We'll fix this in a second. And here too, 1, 2, well, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, depending on how outstretched the lower paws are, or how far apart they are. It all depends. So let's actually outline this guy, because this is getting a tad bit confusing for all you good viewers. We are going to put the one rear leg like that. So typical outstretched body here. Maybe have one paw come closer like that. I think the outer frame will be sort of like that. So we have to take care of this thing here. Let's see if we, just adding a little bit of detail there. So we're almost there. And we'll put out the other paw like that. And of course the dog is like, it's looking up, so we can add the jawline like this. And depending on there's the mouth, there's the nose, and the ear. Don't forget the tail. So really, any dog can adopt this posture. And what we're just looking at is of getting the proper anatomy, the framework for the dog in place. And we should be able to utilize this same action for a variety of like breeds, but we will be putting out videos in any case to highlight even the same action. We don't mind. We would love to put it out there so that we can explore the same action with a different breed, and just to see for the fun of exploration of how it comes up. So we're just adding right now some basic tones. Pitbulls, while I'm just throwing in these tones, I mean, and we are maintaining real-time cross-hatching here while we are sharing certain key attributes about this amazing dog. People also have a fear of them, like pit bulls, and I mean rightly so. It's a dog, and we might, I mean, depending on what I remember, we might end up like saying the same things. If we draw a pit bull again in another video, we probably will end up doing that. But these dogs are feared, and rightly so, because as nice as they might be, they have the ability to sometimes scale very, very, like, quite tall impediments. For instance, there was an incident where a pit bull scaled a fence, like an ordinary fence, not a tall fence. So it did something that was pretty much what human beings also do with a whole lot of training. So just putting in tones where they might be necessary. There we have it. A jumping pit bull. Of course, we can keep on incorporating details, make this as deep as we want, or keep it as basic as we want for the sake of exploring this particular pose. There we have it, a jumping dog, but a pit bull breed, so a top-heavy dog. We will be exploring other breeds in the same action. So please do keep in touch, do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.